Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy TikTok coins and pay for your adverts using your iPhone. In my previous video, I talked about how you can pay it for your Android, how you can use your Android for payments. But this is for iPhone user. All right. If you don't have an Android phone, and then if you don't have anybody, close to you or related to you, that you can, borrow their phone to make payments. On Android phone, watch this video to the end and you will learn how to buy TikTok coins on your iPhone. Because of the general Apple issue, you can't pay directly inside the TikTok app. This has been a problem that iPhone users have been facing for a long time, and here is the solution now. So if you are an iPhone user, worry no more. This video is going to solve your problem, and we are using Nigerian ATM card. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. So we will be using either Chrome or Safari to buy coins. All right, let us move straight into the practical aspects. But before I do, make sure you hit the subscriber button and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss wonderful and amazing tutorials I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Let us go. All right, I'm going to use Google Chrome to do this. So I'll click on Google Chrome. Then I will type tiktok.com. Loading. You can click on allow. So if TikTok tries to redirect you to the app, what you need to do is just click on not now. Can you see? So they are trying to redirect me to the app, but I'm going to click on not now. So you click on not now. So you click on this profile, click here. So as you click on that profile, that's where you will log in. So I will now click on login. So when you click on login, you click on use phone, email or username depending on your login details. So I'll click here. Then I'm going to click on username. And then I'll also input my password. I'm going to cover this so that you guys will not see my password. So you need to confirm this. You confirm if you are a real human being. Okay. So you must make sure that your password is corrected. So I think they send a confirmation to my email. So the code has been sent to my phone number, which I'm going to use to verify my accounts. Alright, so I'll put the code just for verification. If you have done your two-factor setting, your account will be saved. So then you click on next. After you put the code sent to your phone number, I also need to verify again. Okay. So now I have successfully logged into my TikTok account using Chrome. Using Google Chrome. So now you will click on this three dots as you are seeing here. Can you see these three dots? You click here. Then after that you click on get coins. Can you see this place? Get coins. You click on get coins. So I think this is just bonus that TikTok is running. So then just close it. So right now you can now select any numbers of coins you want to buy. Alright. So remember I told you that whatever coins you buy through here, TikTok is going to add charges. So it's quite expensive for it. It's quite expensive. So but nevertheless, it's hard to just buy coins on TikTok using your iPhone, right? So let me just buy let me buy this 30 coins, which is 510, just for sample. So you click on buy. As I told you earlier that you can only use MasterCard, Visa. Don't bother yourself to use Verve card, it won't work. Okay, so I'm going to click on add credit or debit card. Okay, so at this junction I'm going to add my card details. So you need to add your card details. Okay, so I'll just add my card details. I'm going to cover this so that you guys won't see my card details. So you add your card name, your card holder name. I'm using UBA card right now. I'm using my UBA card. So the expiring date, the month expiring date, yes, the expiring date. Then you add your CVV code. Okay, so that is that. Then you click on pay and link. This is what you pay, but you can untick this if you don't want to link your card. You can untick link this card for faster checkout. You can untick it, so you can see that untick it. Then you click on pay now. You click on pay now. Can you see that my coins is now being successful? The purchase is completed. Okay, so after choosing the amount of coins I want to buy, can you see that the coins has been purchased and the transaction is being completed? So you can see that I added my Nigerian ATM card, which is MasterCard, and the card I use is UBA card. All right, so as I told you earlier, I do not use Verve. Okay, so now that the transaction is now successful, the purchase is completed, what you just need to do, just minimize and close this Chrome. You don't have any business with the Chrome again. You only use the Chrome for buying of coins. Let us open my TikTok app. This is my TikTok app. So this is my TikTok app has been opened. Let me click on this and check my balance. Can you see that the coins is now successful? In fact, my UB have sent me a notification that they've sent me a debit alert. So now that I've bought the coins, we can now use it to pay for our TikTok adverts. Okay, I just buy small coins just for the sake of this tutorial. So can you see here now, I said transaction, can you see purchase of coins of 510? This is the recent transaction that I just made, like I just do on this account. Can you see now? This is the transaction. Purchase 30 coins on mobile web. Can you see 510, which is 30 coins? Okay, so now we'll move to the next video on how to use these coins to pay for your TikTok adverts. All right, so we are done with this now. So that is exactly how to buy TikTok coins on your iPhone using Chrome or Safari. In the next section, I will show you how to use the coins you bought to run your TikTok adverts. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next parts. Thank you for watching.